If we see the location of urinary system, as we know there are two kidneys. Two kidneys lies on the back side of the abdominal wall, on the posterior abdominal wall. They lie on each side of the vertebral column. Vertebral column runs right from the neck to the down part of the human body at the central axis. So the kidneys are seen on either side of the vertebral column, one on right and one on left, behind the peritoneum. Peritoneum surrounds the abdominal cavity behind the peritoneum. Below the diaphragm, diaphragm is separating the body into two upper and lower portions, the chest and the abdomen portions. It's a horizontally placed bone. Below the diaphragm, we can see the location of kidneys, and they are extended from the 12th thoracic vertebrae. They are extended from the 12th thoracic vertebrae. Vertebrae are seen in the cervical region, thoracic region, lumbar region, and so on. In the thoracic vertebrae, at the thoracic region, vertebrae are 12 in number. The kidneys are extended exactly from the 12th thoracic vertebrae up to the lumbar vertebrae. In the lumbar region, the vertebrae are 5 in number, but the kidneys are extended right from 12th thoracic vertebrae to the 3rd lumbar vertebrae. Here you can recall they are extended from the 12th thoracic vertebrae up to 3rd lumbar vertebrae. Now we will move on to the kidney size and shape. The shape of the kidney is bean shaped organs. They are about 11 centimeters in length, 6 centimeters in width, with 3 centimeters thickness and weighing about 150 grams. They are tightly held in position, embedded tightly by a mass of fat. This mass is like a sheet which is connective tissue made up of fibroelastic cranial fascia. This fibroelastic cranial fascia encloses the kidney and the renal fat. If we see the gross structure of the kidney, a fibrous capsule, the upper covering, the fibrous capsule surrounding the kidney, and the three important distinct regions are the cortex. The cortex is reddish brown layer tissue which is seen below the capsule and above the pyramid. Here in the cortex, the urine is formed. The medulla. The medulla is the innermost layer. Medulla contains conical shaped striations which are like the pyramid in shape called renal pyramids. And the renal pelvis. The renal pelvis is other third area which is a funnel shaped structure, and this acts as a receptacle for the urine formed by the kidney, and it has several branches called calyces. Each of the calyces surrounds the upper portion of the renal pyramid. Urine formed in the kidney passes via the papillae, a small branches via the papillae into the minor calyces, then into the major calyces, then into the through the pelvis into ureters. The walls of the pelvis are smooth muscles. They contain pacemaker cells. The pacemaker cells are found in the walls of the calyces, which propels the urine through the pelvis and to the ureters and to the bladder. From this internal portion of the kidney, internal anatomy, we can see the renal capsule surrounds the kidney, the three distinct regions, renal cortex, which is reddish brown color, renal medulla in the middle layer, where a conical shaped medullary pyramids are found, and the renal pelvis, which is innermost layer which collects the urine, and it acts as a funnel shaped organ, acts as a receptacle for the urine, and it passes the urine into the